So this water here that these two are drinking from is the cleanest water. For some reason, everyone always runs right past it and goes to the baby water or pond water that's super dirty, or the water that the ducks also put mud in. Collecting what eggs I see. One here, two under there. I'm pretty sure those are duck eggs every time. Two under here. I need to get my scraper back in here. Two there. I don't know where it is. Wayne used it somewhere, but usually every morning I scoop all the poops out of there because for some reason some of them aren't sleeping on the coop. The girls are ready to be let out this morning. Good morning. You ready to go outside? I hear you, Harlow. We are going to start weaning Harlow down to 1 bottle a day, so she's going to have a sad morning. I'm sorry. If I let you out, are you going to go? Are you going to go? No. Go on out. Why are you coming back in? Listen, I don't want you getting Christmas trees. We haven't put the trees up yet. Dove, here. Watch this. You guys haven't went out this way for a long time. Ooh, does that feel new? Go on out. Want to go out this way? It'll be so fun. Going out that way, Dove. Go on. Good girl. I don't know if I want to let you out. Everyone else is being mean. Might look like Atlee's just wanting the little girls, but really she's just wanting in their stall to see if they have any food. Atlee, do not go knock over that tree. No. There you go. Go out that way. Ah, Ember, no. I think this is going to be my goal today, to get these trees out of here. See Dove over there, seeing if the little girls have any food in their stall. Are you going to go out if I let you out, or are you going to be mean to me? All right. Get out of my barn. Out. Get out of the barn. Sorry, Harlow. I don't have any bop-bop for you. There you go. Go outside. Oh, my goodness. My plan only semi-worked. Come on. Oh, sorry, Harlow. No. Head on out, little chickens. Better hurry quick. Head on out. Ember found me to get the cows out. I just grabbed treats out of the feed area and started chucking them out the back door to get them out. Ember does get the hay to herself this morning for at least a few seconds. Harlow's hurting my heart this morning. I'm sorry. Will you go eat some hay instead? Poor Ember. I'm sorry. Apparently Bridget's feeling sorry for Harlow too. Apparently chickens just have a thing for dirty water, because here are two of the boys drinking out of puddle water instead of their water in the cage that they just got out of. Dwayne's trying to get everyone woken up. He doesn't know that I haven't had coffee yet, so I'm not ready for all my kids to wake up yet. Can you please not do that anymore? I didn't. So the rabbit area is disgusting. When the girls wake up, I am going to have them come down here and sweep this all up. Clearly, Honey hates me. The girls were feeling sorry for him to be on the wire bottom. So I was like, well, we'll put a towel in there and we can change it every day. And which I was prepared for it to be a little messy. But the fact that he freaking covered it in pee and poop, and his litter box has hardly anything in it because he's chosen that as his sleep spot, makes me really annoyed with him. Oh, is that your sleep spot? You're just not using your litter box just because? You're an ornery little bunny. Yes, you are. Brought Dwayne down some scrambled eggs. Extra protein is supposed to be good to help him grow some feathers. I'm sorry, buddy. There's no girls to call over, so you just eat it up. Sure, eating it out of the bedding is disgusting. Eat it off the plate. I'm just hoping his feathers grow back soon so we can get him out to his girls, I'm sure. He's a really good rooster. He is always on the watch for him, so I'm sure he's a little bit confused at what his responsibilities are right now. Just to get better, buddy. Yeah, get better. The girls have pretty much finished up their hay that was left over from yesterday. So I'm going to give them some more hay. And poor Harlow is still calling at me. Everybody's enjoying some nice dry hay. Harlow even was, but now she's looking to see if I have a baba. No bottle, baby girl. Tonight. For me, the worst part of owning cows is pulling this wagon from the barn clear out to the burn pit. But it has to be done so that the kids can scoop stalls again today.
You ready, little one? Come here. I gotta let Atlee taste it. Atlee's tasting the drool off of Harlow's face.
Softy here gave in while I was emptying the wagon. Did you give her a whole bottle?
Yeah.
Wayne Schumann.
Yeah. No.
Tip it a little more. First step of cleaning out the bunny area, take everything out. Somebody made a bad choice and peed upstairs in their little house, so we need to get that cleaned out. I put all the girls in their little house closed up so that we can move it around as we clean up the pads. It only hurt me a little bit. Apparently the girls are better at catching them than I am. We've got the pads all out. We're getting ready to sweep and mop if we need to, while the little girls are going and dumping the pads out so they can go in the washing machine. So we let the girls out. Got it all clean in here. I'm still gonna wash the blue towels that we had in here for them and the little handkerchiefs. Felicity had been being super aggressive in there with the other girls, but now is just hanging out with Hallie, so we'll see if... Here she comes. She must have changed her mind. I don't know. Clean for a few minutes. We just got home from a day of family fun, doing some roller skating and stuff, and getting everything ready for the chickens tonight to go to bed. Their water was low, so we're filling up their water right now. Nugget and Kiss are doing rooster wars. So one thing that's nice about filling this up at night, I won't have to do it in the morning. They appreciate it out of the hose more than the water, apparently. Filling up the Bantam's food too tonight. 19 eggs today. One of them was eaten, so it could have been 20. I feel like this egg is pretty cool. Wish they all had unique designs on them like that. Herding the chickens into their coop. Go on, girls. Go on. It's time for bed. Good girls. Come on, ducks. I see you, little Marianne. Good job. Good job. Good girls. You're not supposed to sleep in there. I found that if I make the big chickens go to bed first, usually the little chickens will put themselves up. Why are you sleeping on the floor? Anyways, Bantams are put up. So, good night. What you got? What you got?
Bottle.
Luca one step ahead of me.
Harley.
Well, she's distracted. I got a surprise for you.
isn't Lana over here with you? You hear that sound? That's the sound of Wayne overflowing the trough, not me.
We hope you all have a good day.